Alright, I'm going to do my very best to vlog this entire excursion. What I'm doing is letting my car warm up. Then I'm going to get some fuel, get some snacks. Then I have about a 3-hour drive to my friend Saitoshi's house where my roll cage is at. He's been kind enough to hold it for me. And then I'll document the installation and everything else. Hopefully it goes smooth. Getting me some snacks. Yeah, that'll work. What else do they got? Cold brew black coffee. Delicious. And actually, a little more coffee. Let me go with water. Where's yours? Beets right here. Curry sauce. Alright. Smaller smart water. Now that I got my Lenny and Larry cookie and some water, I am ready to start this trip. That was inside the base convenience store, which is just like a normal convenience store in the States. But I'll show you guys convenience stores here in Japan are much better. In Yokosuka, I'm about to hit the, I call it the Gaijin tax toll bridge, which is 210 yen. It's about $2. And Gaijin is Japanese for foreigner, and I call it, the foreigner tax because it's right before you get to Yokosuka Naval Base. So a lot of people, of course, have to travel to base, work on base, and this is just a small, convenient road to get there. You can use a different route. You don't have to pay the 210, but it's pretty easy. It lets you get straight onto the highway, which they call the Yokohama Yokosuka Road. But yeah, I hate paying 210. It's ridiculous. Every single time, coming and going. 210. 210 yen. 210. Damn it. I'm trying to drive and shift gears. Receipt, iranai, arigato, thank you. Yeah, cool. This is probably like 3 minutes after the 210 toll, which is crazy. We're going towards Yokohama. I think that toll that I just went through was 720. I guess it all depends on where you get off at, but it's not cheap. We got this ridiculously bumpy road. I hope you guys can hear me. I took the rear seats out of my car just to help expedite the installation of the roll cage. Yep, alright, now we're on to Tokyo Tower. Tokyo Skytree. So I'm on the northern side of Tokyo now, and it's not uncommon to see what you see in front of me, which is a police car / van driving normally with the lights on. Tolls on my way to Tochigi or Saitama. Maybe it's Tochigi, I don't know. It's far away. Finally made it to Tochigi. I got a few more minutes, and then I'm at my friend's house. Thank goodness. Just got to Satoshi's house, and we're gonna waste no time. I'm gonna get to it. So this is Satoshi's car. Satoshi and Tomoya. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Awesome. I have some chips for you guys. Chips and dip. American style. So good. Making progress. Yeah. Plastic. Oh, a seatbelt, yeah. Yeah. Screwdriver. Yeah. Making progress. Making progress. Oh. Thank you. Size 14?
Yes.
You have a gun? Alright. Roll hoop going in. Chromoly with a B pillar attachment. Yeah. So we just test fitted the cage, got everything marked up, and now we have to remove the sound deadening stuff in order to make everything fit all square. Whew, I've wrapped up my side. What we had to do is take off some of the, let's see, the sound deadening. All right, the sound deadening stuff from the area that the roll cage is going to be installed, and put on some sealer just to make sure everything's safe, and then it's full install time and padding. Sweet. Yeah. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? I'm not good at this. There, somewhere over there. We're moving?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, family time. We're gonna get yakiniku. Had to take a break. Shoes off, yeah. I got the meat sweats. Hey. Oh yeah, check out fried potato. Oh no, extra meat. Is extra meat for you? You extra meat?
No, you.
Oh. We were on our way home from yakiniku, and we had to stop because this is one of the only places that you can really buy liquor or beer at a vending machine. I hope you guys can see it. Is this light? What is this? Picture? Dang. Oh yeah. Look at that. A vending machine for Chuhai beer. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay. Everyone. Awesome. They don't have these in Yokosuka or Tokyo, Yokohama, but man, that's so cool to see them here. All right, back to cage work. It's 10 p.m. We are working on padding the roll cage. Very tired. We've resorted to energy juice for help. It's taking a long time. Gluing, and then we'll tape it up, and then it should be ready for installation. Initial D's getting us motivated.
Day 2. Go.
Now we are putting in the main hoop and then making the holes for the bottom plates, and then cutting holes into the side panels to make everything fit. And that's it. We're making some progress, but it's starting to get into the small nuanced stuff where you're having to loosen and tighten and move and tighten and loosen. But it's getting there. Whew. Picture from the back seat. You want me to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
All right. Here's good.
Hey, good. Okay.
Oh,
Ooh.
it moved. Shit. Oh man. Thank you.
Okay.
No, one more. No.
Cut.
Circular saw or Dremel tool.
Yeah.
We're closing in on the final pieces. Yeah! Finally!
Finish.
Yes! Almost done. Alright, it's pretty much all done and together. Now we just have to go purchase a couple of things to make it all complete. And then I gotta drive back to the house. How is it back there?
あえて何もしてないよ。
そうだ。あとそこだよね。
あと後ろにある。後ろに。
何が？あ。
まあ、カーマット。
Oh yeah, coming to an end.
Very tight よ。
Oh man, it's almost done. Ah, yeah, so easy. That's a wrap. I got everything completed. Yeah, got a magnet for the phone. All padded up, wrapped in. Crossbar. Back, I need to go put my back seats in, but that won't be for another time. B-pillar attachment for the seatbelt. Yeah, looking good. Huge thanks to Naoki, Satoshi, Eiko, and Tomoya, wherever he is at, helped me getting everything accomplished. It looks awesome. I can't wait to drive. See you guys.